So you can see right here, nice little bulb. It actually looks really cool. Has like a bronze finish to it. But now we're gonna cut to the part where I show you guys step by step on how to replace these bulbs. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go ahead and take out this old light cover here. So I'm gonna be using a trim removal tool, but I'm pretty sure if you just use the edge of a credit card or anything flat, it'll work just fine. So you're gonna go on the right side right here. Just gonna nudge this under, and it's gonna pop right out. Very easy. You're gonna go ahead and pull this out, right? And then you're gonna slide this off. There's gonna be a clip right here. So the plastic cover comes off. And then, so this black part, just put it down, right? And then you come over here, because this is a little different from from what I'm used to. But if I remember correctly, all you got to do is pull this out. Which I'm going to stop real quick because I realize I need gloves for this, or else I'll probably burn myself. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out. These gloves aren't the grippiest, but I got it. Okay, see, the old incandescent light comes right out. Now we're going to take this new Lasfit and we're just going to shove it right in where it used to go. See, it's already coming on, so you know you're doing a good job. Okay, so now it's in place. So now you can see what a difference that already makes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. You can see everything in the trunk. Please excuse the mess. I just have a lot of things in here. I have all sorts of tools and things just in case I need them. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put this black piece back on like it was before. Let's see. Oh, it has to be over here. And then you just pop it in like that. So now that this is clipped, basically all you gotta do is push it back in. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the LED conversion of the only non-LED light in the 2025 Toyota Camry XSE. Now, I'm almost certain this will work in every Camry, as the light bulbs are probably the same across all trims, and probably other Toyota models as well, because I know my Lexus LS uses this same size bulb. Yep. Well, hope you guys can see how beautiful this looks.